This is a design thinking and innovation class where we're given a project to research on problems on UEC campus, then come up with innovative ideas and solutions to help keep the problem. Our presentation will be, my name is Frindo Fasari Bafo, and I'll be taking you through the presentation today. Our presentation will be based on this format: the statement of problem, our solution, the target market, our market size, the SWOT analysis, the revenue stream, the flow chart, and the demo interface. To start with the statement of a problem, we've noticed or we've realized that students of the University of Campus go through stress and difficulties when securing hostels on campus. Some even get robbed or duped of their hard-earned money when looking or securing a hostels on campus. Our solution: due to modernization and technology and how the world is moving in terms of technology, we want to design a mobile app that would help students sit in the comfort of their home to select hostels of their choice. Our app seeks to achieve three main objectives. 1. To reduce and eliminate the stress and the difficulties students go through in search of hostels. 2. To link hostel managers and students via technology. And finally, to provide students with a large pool of options when selecting hostels of their choice. What is our target market? Our target markets are undergraduate students, master's students, postgraduate students, sandwich students, and hostel managers. With the undergraduate, the masters, the postgraduate, and the sandwich students, they come on campus to reside on campus and do their 4-year or their 6-year course. So they are going to be targeted, or they are our target market. For hostel managers, they are going to be needed to be able to enroll or upload their hostel pictures on the app. So they are also our target market. Our market size: UEC has about 23,000 current students on campus. And out of the 23,000 students, the ones we will be able to service or we are able to provide or service is about 10,000. Due to we being a startup firm, we do not have enough resources. We don't have enough resource or capacity to serve the whole market. So we are targeting about 10,000. And out of this 10,000 people, 2,000 people have enrolled on our app already. What is our SWOT analysis? Our strength: incredible features. Hostel Find app comes up with so many features that would help students secure their hostels with ease and also feel competitive. On campus, there are not much more people also operating mobile apps, which is being used in selecting and securing hostels. And finally, there's 24/7 customer support. There are sessions or there are assistant people on the app that help students to assist them in any difficulty they go through in time when securing and selecting hostels. Our weakness: so far, the only weakness we've been able to identify is our app cannot be accessed without internet. It needs internet service before our app can be accessed. What are our opportunities? Larger market size. As I said earlier, we have about 23,000 students on campus, so all these will become our market size. And the industry is due for expansion. We can all bear witness to how technology is fast improving. So we're designing a mobile app that can help students secure hostels of their choice. It's an opportunity for us. And our threat: hostel managers. One of our threats we've been able to identify is how we are going to convince hostel managers to upload their hostels on the Hostel Find app, and also MIT officials. In our quest to solve this problem, we want to upload a link of downloading the app into the student portal. So one of our threats is convincing or lobbying with the MIT offices to upload the link into the student portal. Our revenue stream: how do we make money using this app? First and foremost, advertisements. They are going to run ads on the app. This will be businesses on campus and businesses outside campus. That is how you're going to make money, and we're going to contribute about 80% of the revenue you're going to get from the app. Data monetization. That is why information of students are going to be sold to companies or stakeholders outside. We all know there is an illegal way of making money, but it's going to be included in the terms and conditions of the app. Therefore, when students agree to the terms and conditions, they've actually consented for us giving out their information to companies and stakeholders outside. Then finally, subscription from the hostel managers. Any hostel manager who agrees to be enrolled on our app or who agrees to upload their hostels on our app is going to pay a commission to be the app owners. This is a flow chart of how the app will look like when it's been opened. But first of all, let's move on to the demo interface of our app. Hostel Find, your hostel provider. That is the first page that comes up when you open Hostel Find. Right at this stage, you have been taken to the next phase of the app. That is the Hostel Find, creating an account for yourself. At this place, you create a personalized account. You provide information about yourself to help create your personal dashboard for you. Right after this phase, you have been taken to the next phase where you enter in your login credentials. The credentials you set for yourself. That is where you actually enter your login credentials. Then you move on to the personalized dashboard. That is where you can see a picture of yourself, your name, your email, your hall of affiliates, your last name. These information are personal information about you. And over with the hostel find, you have been given varieties of hostels to choose from. Some of these hostels include Nest Hostel, Senate Hostel, Atlantic Hostel, Ajwa Dupi, Oye Inn, and Chiravela. Right after you select the hostel of your choice, you have been taken or you have been provided with information about that particular hostel. So when you select an Atlantic Hostel, you have been given the hostel description, the rules and regulations, the facilities in the hostel, and a portion where the contact of the hostel manager is. So over here, you can pick the contact and call the hostel manager directly, or you can actually contact the hostel manager through the app. Hostel Find UCC. We say your hostel provider. Thank you very much.